You know, it's times like this where you think, maybe I should have put my Gore-Tex on this one. Just maybe, that's what I should have done. What a total plank. It's only water. Lots and lots of water. Running down my arms now. Just seems to be this bit of the world. Over there it's fine, over there it's fine. How annoying is that? I think that's quite possibly hail now. Oh, brilliant. Awesome. Oh my God. So to set the video up, I was obviously following my GPS to where I was going, but in fact the route that it sent me on is the actual only route in, the route I took. Now obviously the route I came out of, the place I was going to, I went the long way around, for obvious reasons. Now obviously I'm on an adventure bike, so you'd expect to be able to do that kind of thing, but I suppose when you're taking it off-road, that's different to taking it on-road when the road isn't suitable. So the whole issue I had was that the camber was such that it was pushing me into the right hand side of the road towards the grass verge, and the gravel and the fact the road was so badly deteriorated was that any time I touched any of my brakes, nothing, well, it just kind of lost it. And weirdly, I did feel like in my mind I was deciding whether to get off the bike or apply more power, because I don't know, weirdly half an hour before that I was thinking about the fact that in essence most times you fall off your bike when there's no other car involved is your fault, because the bike inevitably wants to go straight on. You've either not given it enough steering input or you've decided to ditch it too soon, because the bike will try and go forward. And I'm not sure if that's what made me put a bit of power on, or whether it's the fact that there was nothing else I could do. That was the first thing I did. I'm not sure. I have no idea how I got out of it, no idea at all. I do know I have fairly decent balance, but with a bike this weight your balance really doesn't count it. And I potentially might have some strains or stuff to my legs, but I won't find out about those until tomorrow, I imagine, because yeah, I do know that at some point when my right foot was underneath my peg and stuff, and yeah, so I might have some kind of bruising, but hey ho, I'm still alive. Yeah, so here's the clip, and I'll probably play it a couple of times, so you can see my stupidity / near-death experience. It's a bit of an odd place to have nature, right in the middle of nowhere. too keen on this road. How the hell did I do that? How the hell did I stand that up? Shit myself, have you? Bloody hell. That's the camber of this road. Can't do this.